Alrighty, so today it's January, February, March, April. It's April 26th. We have Bay League today. Me and Ben are doubles for near Costa Bay League. Kind of cool. So yeah, we've been working for this moment this season, so hopefully we can pull it off today. Gotta keep calm, stay in control, do what we do best.
Let's go. We can leave in a minute. Hop in the whip with just me and you in it. Girl, it's a given. You know you can get it.
We're at Costa.
Ain't no way I'm finished. It's only the start. Follow the road to my heart.
Warm up.
Let you know that it's broken apart. I've been on my own long dark. It's been hard, but you make it easy. I need you to need.
It's currently 12:33. Got about an hour to get warmed up. Alright, just before we start hitting ball machine like normal, I'm gonna hit against the wall, just get some arm movement and everything, get something going. Alright, after an okay warm up, just kind of tight. I'm gonna get taped up. Looking to the track meet going on. Kinda cool. We don't see these often out here. Woo! We have Ben here. He's back. I'm not alone. Watch it. Hopefully this ages well and it'll be like a winning Bay League. But
Winning Bay League?
yeah, if it ages well.
Do that.
So let's do it. We have good warm up. Me, Ben, we do feel good. We feel good.
Second thing, you should be honored that you're here at JV Daily. How many years have we run this gym? 5 or 6, 7 years, Farmer? Okay, doubles. Can you guys be quiet for a second? Top seats. Ben and Brent, step out. Premier Costa. You have a tie. Congratulations. You're going to play the winner of Sammy and Cole from TV.
Watch out, man! Watch out, 3! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Ben, you got
Costa B! Costa 3! 1, 2, 3! Costa!
I told my boy go like 10 blends for me.
Alright, here we go. PV, you got a bye first round, so PV right now.
I'm trying to get high till I can't feel nothing. I can fly out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I can fly out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I'm way too high. 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 Wake up. It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and count up. I let my bitch roll my blunt. I'm about to 30 like her. Pour what's the lean and get stuck. I make her scream when we fuck. I don't try R8s. I don't like those.
Got that first game, Ben served. Talking to them. We're better. I think we're better.
I got on A, she got on stilettos. She my best friend, yeah, we not a couple. She a rock star, she a sex symbol. The way she do that shit, she make it look simple. The way she do that shit, she make it look simple. Baby, tell me what you wanna do. Baby, tell me everybody is cool. Tell me everybody to this phone.
Come on! Never done a TV.
Gotta know you fucked in this room. I gotta know you fucked in this room. Can't trust no bitch. Can't trust these niggas. In love with my money. In love with my pistol. In love with my bitch. I think she my bitch. I know she's her bitch. tell her good shit. I just walked in my pants. Paparazzi at the fence. I'm about to pull up some red. And Shawty gon' roll up some shit. And Shawty gon' roll up some shit. I'm about to pull up some red. And Shawty gon' roll up some shit. Like 10 blunts for me. I told my boy gon' roll like 10 blunts for me. I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing. I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing. I can fall out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I can fall out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I'm way too high. I'm way too high. I'm way too high.
Yeah. We didn't win 8-2. We won 8-5. That's cool, I guess, but we gotta work on it. Yeah.
I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't guap. Yeah, they like Stevie, they can't see me, they wanna beat me. I'm in that guinea, with my zucchini. Wanna feed you, it ain't need me. She won't please me, cause she need me. Oh, I mean me, they like mine. Oh, I mean me, they like mine. Oh, I mean me. Hella chop. We don't fuck with niggas, they the cops. I put my heart and soul into the Glock. Bitch, us, never them. You ain't that, bitch, I'm him. You get zapped if it's static. You get mad, it gon' peel. Smoking gas, smell the fume. In that vet, it gon' fume. I'm a vet, little dude. You a pet, do what I say, not what I do. Tell them sit. Bitch, come here. I just seen some niggas down the block that ain't from here. No, I got a lot, but I need some damn more, yeah. If I catch the odds, then I'm up in the damn score, yeah. Can't see a damn thing, can't see a damn thing, yeah. They like Stevie, they can't see me, they want me. I'm in that guinea, like zucchini. Wanna feed you, it ain't need me. She won't please me, she need me. Oh, I mean me, they like mine. Oh, I mean me, she like mine. Oh, I mean me, she like mine. Oh, I mean me, she like mine. Don't bow.
She like God, man, I need it. She take like what? Oh, I need it. Come get your dog. She too greasy. She so mean. From that beat, I'm gon' eat it. I bet I beat it. I put on the bus. I like to see it. I put on the bus. I'ma leave the whole bleeding. I'ma leave the whole geeking. Have it gone by the weekend. Got too much water. She got me leaking. She got me leaking. I'm on the deep end. I'm on the deep end. Yeah.
All right, we did another job against Peninsula. They were better than the other guys, but we were more in our group. Solid. Ben, what do you have to say for yourself? You did good.
Serves are on fire.
Yeah, we win because of their end. We're the serve in the final in both games. Go to.
You
do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's goated, bro. Right, Ben and I won semifinals, so we are secured in the finals right now. We won 8-1 PV. Oh no, PV Peninsula, whatever that thing was. Yeah, I made finals. Thank you. Yeah, I hear him. Yeah, but I think Mark's gonna play the finals on Friday, dude. He's not playing this today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but
How you feeling?
well, we're hot. We're on fire right now.
Yeah?
We shut them at 8-1, but
Wait, so how many matches did you play?
I played 2. We had to buy one of them. All right, so here we are. Friday the 29th, day of finals here at Costa. definitely do it if we just play our game and don't let them get to our heads, or don't let the guys watching us get in our heads, you know that?
Yes.
So we just block it out and do our own thing. All right, we're about to start right now. 2:48 on a Friday. We want this. We really want this. Let's do it. Alright, it's Monday. The following Monday, May 2nd, a couple days after that choke. Yeah, they won. It's just part of the game. If you're off, you're off. It's part of it. Suck it up. This is great time to reflect, because yes, I lost the main goal. I wanted to become a starter, and we got there. And then after becoming a starter, I wanted to play in Bay League. Boom. And then we got there. And then I wanted to win Bay League. And then we got to the finals. We almost got there. And when you break it down and break down the goals that you've accomplished, I actually accomplished a lot. And I'm proud of myself for doing that. And I'm glad, because I've played tennis now, what is it, May? So January, February, March, April. Just started May, so 4 months. I've played tennis for about 4 months now again, and this growth was exponential. And I mean, long term, this next year, this next season, is another opportunity, and that is what I'll work towards.